Hey, welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors, and I'm Chef Chad McIntyre. Today we've got a nice, quick, easy, fun fish dish. We've got some puppy drum out from Cape Lookout that the guys got for us, and we're gonna do kind of a Caprese take on it. So we've got some fresh mozzarella, we got some cherry tomatoes, a little oil and balsamic vinegar, and some fresh basil out of my garden. So let's go ahead and get everything put together, and we'll get this guy in the oven. So we're seasoning the fish up in our Carolina Cooker enamel cast iron casserole pan. We've got our drum fillets that have been cleaned and deboned. So we're gonna go ahead and put some salt and pepper on these guys. So we've got some salt and pepper on there. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil across the top, about 2 tablespoons worth for this dish. And then we got about same amount, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. So we're gonna put about half of our cherry tomatoes in the dish. We're gonna reserve the rest of it to go on top of the dish once we've done this first layer. So we're gonna put in our mozzarella cheese, and then we're also gonna cover it with some basil. I like to use the whole basil leaves. All right, we're gonna put some more cherry tomatoes on top, another little touch of salt and pepper. Now that we've got the fish dish prepped right here, it's gonna go into our preheated oven at 350 degrees, and we're gonna bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. So the fish has been baking in the oven for about 20 minutes. On the last minute, we turned it to broil to get some nice color on the top of this. This is a great dish. It's a really nice, light way to kind of present the fish with a lot of flavor in it. As always, it's great to take wild game in the outdoors, but it's even better to incorporate it into a dish.